In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Premier League tickets online. First, head over to your club's official website. Each Premier League team sells tickets directly, so you'll need to visit the club's ticket page. It could be manutt.com or chelseafc.com. Now, from the homepage, look for the tickets section and click on it. Once on the ticket page, look for the upcoming matches and choose the one you want to attend. Most clubs offer tickets for different sections of the stadium, so make sure to select your preferred seating area. Tickets are sold in different phases. Some clubs offer sales to members first and then go to the general public. Make sure you're signed in with your membership account if required. When sales open, select your ticket, confirm your seat, and proceed to the checkout. You might also be asked to enter in your account information or your personal information, including your address and password. Use secure payment options like credit or debit cards or PayPal. After payment is done, you'll usually get e-tickets sent to your email, which you can download or store on your phone. For some matches, you might get a physical ticket sent to your address. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!